channel. So today we are just gonna cover the what is a marketing funnel, वो क्या रहता है और कैसे काम किया जाता है मार्केटिंग फनल पे वो सब एंड उसके so if I just shortly speaking, funnel means it's the just a very crucial and important part for as an e-commerce brand क्योंकि just like funnels में funnels इस type of है ना एक funnels is a type of an filter that filter our customers and convert them into our warm customer. Just like in the funnel you can say that first thing tofu, mofu and bofu. In the funnel, tofu means the top of the funnel, mofu means the middle of the funnel, bofu means the bottom of the funnel. In the just top of the funnel, you just have to make some awareness, aware about what's your product, aware the people about आप बेच क्या रहे हो, आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है उसके बारे में लोगों को बताना, उसका मतलब होता है टॉप ऑफ द फनल. मिडल ऑफ द फनल मीन्स लोगों को ट्रस्ट दिलाना थ्रू यू कैन से दैट इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग. आप इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग के थ्रू लोगों को ट्रस्ट दिखा सकते हो दैट योर प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट अ स्कैम, योर कंपनी इज नॉट अ स्कैम, your store is not a it's not a type of a scam. So and this mofu it's a type of है ना ये बहुत important होता है क्योंकि पूरे ऑनलाइन इफ यू आर जस्ट गोइंग दैट यू कैन सी दैट स्कैमर तो बैठे रहते हैं, पूरे हर जगह पे स्कैमर बैठे रहते हैं. सो यू कैन सी दैट कि स्कैमर बैठे रहते हैं, इसी की वजह से ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड टुडेस ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. हाँ मुश्किल है बट if you are doing influencer marketing, so it's not really gonna tough that thing. So in the top of the funnel you see the awareness, people को बताना कि आप हो कौन, आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है, लोगों को ये सब बताना है कि आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हो. मिडल ऑफ द फनल में लोगों को ट्रस्ट दिलाना है कि या आप लिजिट कंपनी हो और आपका प्रोडक्ट जेन्युइन है, कोई स्कैम या फ्रॉड नहीं है, वो आपकी मदद भी कर सकता है. जस्ट लाइक लेंस कार्ट, boat, this all of the products. Okay, so in the middle of the funnel we talk about that कि ट्रस्ट हम इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग के थ्रू कर सकते हैं और यू जस्ट कैन से दैट रिपीटेड एड दिखाना, जस्ट लाइक showing customers showing customers repeated ads. If the customer see your ad repeated times, they are just gonna buy from you. Remember that thing. जब तक आपका कस्टमर आपके ऐड 30 से 32 बार नहीं देखेगा वो आपसे नहीं खरीदेगा, क्योंकि मार्केट में बाकी प्रोडक्ट भी है. सो आपको यूनिक क्या बनाएगा, जब वो आपको रिमेम्बर रखेगा इन देयर बाइंग मूड, जब आप वो उनके बाइंग मूड में होंगे तब उनको जो रिमेम्बर दिखाएगा वो उनसे ही प्रोडक्ट खींचेंगे. जस्ट लाइक दैट this is also gonna work showing customer repeated ads. And the major step is influencer marketing. You just have to build your trust through any kind of things, but not a bad trust. You just have to do a good impression, positive impression about your product, that if the people think about your product they can just think that कि वो ट्रस्ट ब्रांड पे भरोसा कर रही है, एक अच्छी ब्रांड है. So that's the thing. Just like if you see Red Bull company, you don't see that the Red Bull is you don't see that the Red Bull is a soft drink. It's an energy drink. You can see in their uh, advertisement they just do a stunt for their reputations, for their they just want to improve their sales, that people is just gonna, those people who are just fantastic, just like an you can say that risk, those people who can take risks, they are gonna just go far away. उसी की तरह से वो सब मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी यूज करके रेडबुल अपने आप को आगे ले जा रहा है. एंड यस दैट्स द थिंग. एंड बिल्डिंग अ ट्रस्ट इज अ मेजर स्टेप. इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ एन मेजर पिलर फॉर योर ऑनलाइन for your e-commerce store. First awareness, second mofu, and the last and the most is Bofo, which is the bottom of the funnel. In the top of the funnel, people just get aware from your product. In the Mofo, middle of the funnel, people just gonna know who are you, and they are just trusting you. फर्स्ट द थिंग, टोफू में आपको पहचान लेंगे कि आप हो कौन. टोफू में लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि आप ये हो, आपका प्रोडक्ट ये है करके. टॉप ऑफ द फनल में, मिडिल ऑफ द फनल में जस्ट लाइक कि लोगों को ट्रस्ट दिलाना पड़ेगा कि आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, आप एक स्कैमर नहीं हो, ऐसा तैसा, क्योंकि मार्केट में स्कैमर बड़े बड़े हैं. एंड द बॉटम ऑफ द फनल, कस्टमर को यहाँ पे इस स्टेप पे आपको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि अगर आपके फनल जस्ट लाइक कितना भी सिंपल और कितना भी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो, उसमें आपको कस्टमर को किसी भी तरह सेटिस्फाई करना. सो इन द लास्ट ऑफ द फनल यू जस्ट हैव टू डू सम touch points in your product, just they are just relate themselves in the product. ठीक है. So after that is building, the bottom of the funnel is just selling the product to the customers. Now after the customers sell, just like a touch point that they can remember you, and they can just affiliate, they can just talk about your product to the other peoples. That just like Lenskart also do this. If you just go to the Lenskart, and they also do, they give you a free eye checkup. That's the personal touch up. They just give you a free checkup, which is good, and people that get impressed in that type of a point. So you just have to do some personal touch up, just like muscle blaze. If you just see the muscle plus blaze products, sorry for that. If you just see the muscle blaze product, you can see that in the shakers, in the muscle blaze product shakers, they write that कि फिर से जिद कर. Yes, I'm not gonna sure about that. I'm sure about that. I'm not gonna really sure about that. But yeah, they just write in there the product that फिर से जिद कर. That's the personal touch up. You just have to do. So yeah, this one is good. So in this product, you can see that they do a personal touch up like फिर से जिद कर, and this type of a touch up are just killing यार, just killing. Just imagine यार कि आप ऐसे टाइप के अपने प्रोडक्ट्स पर टच अप दे रहे हो, वो प्रोडक्ट कितना आगे जाएगा. जस्ट लाइक उन्होंने ऐसा, उनका जो टारगेटेड ऑडियंस है वो है जस्ट लाइक टीनेजर्स. सो उन्होंने टीनेजर्स लोगों के लिए ही ये प्रोडक्ट स्पेशली बनाया. सो यू कैन सी दैट टीनेजर्स के पास तो उतने पैसे होते नहीं है, सो वो अपने माँ बाप के पास ही जिद करने वाले हैं. सो उन्होंने पर्सनल टचअप दिया इन द शेखर, फिर से जिद कर. दैट्स द गॉड किलिंग. दैट्स द जस्ट killing. You can say that there's the top one type of an killing product. So this type of a touch up, killing touch up, you can say that this type of a touch up, you have just have to give your brand, your product. You just have to in the just, you can say that parcel, in the personal, आप पर्सनल पे भी वैसा टचअप दे सकते हो, अपने प्रोडक्ट में भी वैसा टचअप दे सकते हो यार, वॉट एवर. बट वैसा टचअप देना चाहिए दैट पीपल जस्ट कैन हैप्पी फॉर दैट, कि हाँ फिर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वो ही फिर आप, अगर आप उनको प्रोडक्ट पसंद आया तो वो ही आपके अफिलिएट बन के आपका प्रोडक्ट लोगों को बताएंगे, और वो बाद में जाके आपके लॉयल कस्टमर्स भी बन जाएंगे. जस्ट लाइक सो वो आपके अफिलिएट भी बनेंगे एंड आपके लॉयल कस्टमर भी बनेंगे. So once your customer are get satisfied, after he gets satisfied, he become a affiliate of you for your company. He just sponsor your product to the peoples. If he just gets satisfied from you for your product, If he just gets satisfied from your product, he will become an affiliate for you, and your company will grow broadlessly. It's That's amazing thing that you can do. And those customers are become loyal, and after the loyal, they are just you can say that they are just gonna buy from you. After a while they are just gonna buy from you. And after those type of customer are just never gonna end up this type of companies are never gonna end up broke. If you just do this type of things in your funnel, your just type of store are never ever just fail. If you just have only one product, give the personal touch up in that type of product, that get satisfied. After customer gets satisfied, they become your loyal customer as well as they become your affiliate if they just love your product. So if you they refer ref, they just refer others buy this product. And after that you can also do that after that you can also do that the thing. After affiliate from for the loyal customer, you just uh, give them just those are the loyal customer. For loyal customer, you can say that for loyal customer, uh, give them free uh, give them free no, sorry give them a 20% discount. Give them 20% discount, or just any other offer, any other offer you can give. So for the loyal customers, give them 20% discounts or any offer that they are just happy with you. They are a loyal customer. They are just gonna buy from you after a several times. So give them a personal discounts that through your do email marketing do email marketing, and just you can say that a lot of things you can do if you just want to do. So this is the whole funnel that you need to do. It's a simple funnel. People make it as fuck as hard, but it's a very simple. If we just gonna go through on it, it's a very simple. I just want to make things keep it simple stupid for the people who are new. So if you want to just grow your e-commerce brand, just make this funnel as stupid for your e-commerce brand. Use this type of funnel which is simple and stupid but very effective. This type of funnel are just gonna very effective for you.